Hello students, welcome to Surafset's classes. Today I am going to solve ISI B.Stat 2019 objective question paper. Now it is question number 27. Let A greater than equal to B, greater than equal to C, greater than equal to 0 be integers such that 2 to the power A plus 2 to the power B minus 2 to the power C equal to 144. Then we have to find out the value of A plus B minus C. Here option A is 7, option B 8, option C 9 and option D 10. Now we have here 2 to the power A plus 2 to the power B minus 2 to the power C equal to 144. Now if we prime factorize 144, we get 2 to the power 4 into 3 square. Now we divide the both side with 2 to the power 4. Then we get 2 to the power A minus 4 plus 2 to the power B minus 4 plus minus 2 to the power C minus 4 equal to 3 square. Now we get 9 in the way 10 minus 1, and it is, we can write as 8 plus 2 minus 1, and now we can write it as 2 cube plus 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 0. So here we get 2 to the power A minus 4 plus 2 to the B minus 4 plus minus 2 to the C minus 4 equal to 2 cube plus 2 to the power 1 minus 2 to the power 0. Now comparing both sides, we get A minus 4 equal to 3, B minus 4 equal to 1, C minus 4 equal to 0. So we get A equal to 7, B equal to 5, C equal to 4. Now A plus B minus 7 plus 5 minus 4 equal to 8. So your answer is option B. Thank you.